Before we start using Twilio, we need to upload a regulatory bundle so that your business or your independent person can verify themselves. To do this, you need to go into these three dots in the circle on the left. You click on that. Then you go down to phone numbers. And you click down on the left-hand side here on regulatory compliance. And here you're going to click on create a regulatory bundle. So if you click on this, you can choose your country and then go through next. When it comes to upload supporting documents, the documents that you need over here is a proof of residence of your business, your personal ID document, maybe the company CC documents. So once you go onto this and choose this, then you can enter or upload all of the bundles in here, and it's a step-by-step process. It'll tell you what documents that you need in order to do this compliance. Otherwise, you can send me these documents and I will do it for you. Thanks.